Hello everyone and welcome to our new review of AWeber, a well-known player in the email marketing software area. So if you're considering using AWeber or just want to learn more about what it has to offer, make sure to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment where I provided you with the link to start a free trial on the platform. So AWeber is designed to cater for small businesses and entrepreneurs who are stepping into the world of email marketing. What's great about AWeber is how it simplifies the whole process. Even if you're new to email marketing, you'll find its interface quite intuitive. From my experience with AWeber, the standout feature has to be the vast range of email templates. So whether you're sending a newsletter, a promotional email, or a follow-up message, there's a template for particularly every need. And the best part, you can customize them to fit your brand style. Now let's talk more about automations. So this is where AWeber really shines. You can set up automation email sequences that get triggered by specific subscriber action. So this means you can set targeted emails based on what your subscribers are interested in and how they interact with your previous email. It is a powerful tool for keeping your audience engaged without constant manual effort. So analytics is another strong point for AWeber. The platform provides detailed report and help you track the performance of your email. So understanding how your audience is interacting with your email, which is very crucial. And AWeber's analytics make it very easy to see and to check what working and what not for your strategy. So however, it is important to talk about pricing. AWeber offers a free plan, which is great, but as your subscriber list grows, you might find the pricing a bit on the higher side compared to other options in the market. So if you're just starting out or have a limited budget, this is something to keep in mind. In summary, AWeber is a solid option if you're looking for an email marketing tool that combines ease of use with powerful features. It is particularly good for those who are new to email marketing, but do consider the pricing as your need may grow. And for more details, don't forget to check out the link in the description or the pinned comment. You can start a free trial with this link on the platform.